Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of mine, where in this video I'm going to show you how to create a functioning e-commerce store using WordPress. And the good thing is, if you have no knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, and all those complicated coding skills, that's completely fine, because you can have this website up and running only using the drag and drop features of WordPress. And you don't need to have any coding experiences to have this website up and running. Also, if you're wondering how much it costs you to have this website, it literally costs you less than $3 a month, including the hosting and a domain name, to have this website. And as you can see, this is a functioning website that you can have in minutes. Also, if you don't like the look of this website, that's completely fine, because you have hundreds of other free and premium themes that you can choose from. Simply select the one that you like for your website, import it, and you have a brand new looking website as well. So if you're interested in creating your very first e-commerce store using WordPress, sit back, relax, go get a coffee, and let's get started. Let me walk you through some main components that we need for a website. So let's say we are going to build this house, okay? And this is our website. So in order to create a website, we need a land where the house is going to sit on it. And this land is called web hosting or hosting, okay? Also, you need a domain name, and a domain name is a sign that identifies your site from other sites, like yourwebsite.com or google.com. Yahoo.com and things like that. These are the domain names that you need for your site. And also an SSL, which is a fence that protects your website. So in order to get a hosting, domain, free SSL, I'll leave a link in the description below to Bluehost. So once you're in Bluehost, you can see this is official Bluehost website. Once you're here, you can see you get 70% off for now. They have different price ranges, but for now you can see it costs you $2.95 a month, less than $3. Also show you how you can even get it even cheaper than this. So you can see here you get a free domain name, free SSL, free CDN, and money back guarantee. So this is absolutely risk free. Once you're here, click on get started, and now you can choose a plan. Okay, so once you're here, you can select this one, $2.95 for one website. So if you want to start out, you can start with one website. So I'm going to select this one, and now you can choose the domain name for your website, which is the address of your site. If you know what will be the name of your website, just put in the domain name of your site here. If you're not sure what will be the name of your site, click on I will create my domain name later, and you're still going to get the domain name for free for the first year. So don't rush it. If you're not sure what will be the name of your site, just click this button. Okay, once you're here, put in the account information, like your first name, your last name, address, and things like that. Scroll down the package information. You can see the package is now set to $2.95 a month, which is less than $3 a month. And now I'm going to show you how you can get it even a little bit cheaper than this. And in order to do it, what you need to do, you need to hover over this X button. Like, don't close the page, like hover over it, and this special sign up offer pops up. Okay, so you can see they're offering $2.65 a month now. So click on this claim savings, scroll down, and you can see the price is now set to $2.65. Now scroll down, put in the account information, your credit card details, and click the submit to go to the next page. Once you click on submit, you will get to this page. It says, welcome to Bluehost. Congratulations. Your purchase was successful. You also receive an email. You need to check your email and confirm that email to come back here and create a new password for your website. Then you will get to this page. Put in your new password, accept the terms of service, and click next. Once you're here, click on login. By clicking login, Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you, which makes the whole process even easier. Then you land on this page where you can choose the theme or the look of your website. We're not going to select the theme for now. We're just going to skip it for now, and we're going to select our theme later on. So For now, skip this page and skip the next couple of pages. And then you get to this page that says all done, which means your web hosting is all set up, your WordPress is all set up, and now you can start building. So click on this start building. And now you can get to the dashboard of your site. This is the backend of your WordPress site. This is what you will see once you want to make changes to the actual site. So here you can add posts, images, pages, change the appearance or the look of your site, adding plugins and functionalities to your site. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it as well. And once you log in, this is the page that you will constantly see. Okay, this is the backend of your site. And if you're wondering what would be the URL of the backend of your site, simply type in wp-admin/wp-admin to the end of your domain name. So let's say your website is called 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲.com. Put in -wp-admin or -login, and then you need to log into your account, the account that you have actually created while you were registering for your site. You can just put in the username and password, and after you logged in, you will get to the dashboard of your WordPress site. Now, if you're wondering how would be the look of your site, let me go to the URL of the site to see how our website actually looks by default. So if you go to the URL of your site, depending on what version of WordPress you're using, your website should look something like this. It looks pretty empty, an empty website. And now we want our website to look something like this, looking professional, e-commerce store, okay? And we don't want to write a single line of code to do this, okay? And in order to install the theme for our website, go back to the dashboard of your site. So in order to install the new theme, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Now, once you're here, you need to add a theme called Astra. Okay, I have already installed the Astra, but if you want to install the theme, click on Add New. And once you're here, you can see we have a lot of free themes to choose from, but I'm going to use Astra because Astra is a professional and lightweight tool as well. So search for Astra in the search bar, and this is the theme that we're going to use. So I've already installed it, and so there should be an install button here. Click on Install, and after you have installed the theme, click on Activate. So now we have installed and activated the theme. So in order to use Astra, click on Get Started. Once you're here, scroll down and click on Build Your Website Now. And now you can choose a page builder. You can either use the block editor or Elementor. I personally prefer Elementor, so click on Elementor. And now we can choose from hundreds of themes to create a website. As long as our website is about e-commerce, hover over e-commerce tab and choose the category that you want. I want to choose clothing store. And once you're here, you can see we got these premium themes and free themes. And in order to use any of the themes, what you need to do is select the theme that you want and simply import it for your site. So the theme that I have decided to use is this one, Fashion Designer. So go through these themes, see which one you like, and then select it. Now you can see how your website actually looks. Okay, go through your website, see if you like it, and if you liked it, click on this blue button that says Skip and Continue. Scroll down and click on Continue. Once you're here, you can either agree for the newsletter if you want to. If you don't want, click on Submit and Build My Site. And now it starts installing the themes, plugins, and everything that's needed for your site. Okay, congratulations. Your website is ready. So now everything is installed for your site. Let's go back to our domain and see how our website actually looks. Let me just refresh the page. And boom, we have a professional looking website without writing a single line of code, man. If you like this video so far, I appreciate if you tap the like button so this can help more people to actually watch this video and learn how to create an e-commerce store using WordPress. Okay, so our website is ready. So the first step is editing this website. If you don't like this text, or if you don't like this image and you would like to change it in any page, simply go to that specific page and click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, now let me just get rid of this. Now you can see that I can change the text anywhere. Simply select the text and add whatever you want. Okay, shop the collection. You can change that as well. If you want to change this, you can click on this text. We can just type in shop here. Okay, simply change that and everything will be updated. And after you create it, make sure to update the changes so all these changes will be applied. Also, if you would like to change other parts, simply select it and change the text, and it will be applied. If you want to change the image, simply select it, drag and drop a new image here, and you will have a new image. Okay, if you want to get rid of any part, let's say I don't want this section. Okay, I just want to get rid of this part. Okay, what you need to do, click on this X button, and boom, that's gone. Okay, if you want to change the testimonial, select it. You can change the image and the testimonial as well. So this is how you can actually edit the pages of your site. And if you would like to add a new section in any part of the pages, simply click on this menu, and now you can add any element. If you want to add a button or a text editor or an image or text, simply drag the part that you want and drop it anywhere that you would like, and you will have a new section added to your page. And if you want to separate them, there are other tools like spacer, so it would add in a space between elements so they just don't collide, and it looks pretty good. After you have made all the changes to different pages of your site, after you edited the page the way you want it to look, it's time to add the products. These are the products that are available by default in your site that you probably don't want to use them, right? You want to use your own products. And in order to add your own products, go back to the dashboard of your WordPress site and click on products. Now you can see all the products available in your site. These are all the products, and as you can see, they got different categories like dresses, tops, accessories, and things like that. If you don't want to use any of them, that's completely fine. What you need to do, select all the products, click on move to trash, and then click on apply, and all these products will actually disappear and go to the trash. Okay, after you have deleted all the products, you need to add your own products. And in order to add a new product, click on add new. Let's say I would like to add a new product, which is a shoe, to my actual product list. So in order to do it, I need a product name, and the product name would be women's beige peep-toed heeled sandals. And I also can add a little bit of description to the product as well if you want to. Now we need a picture for the product, so select on set product image, and this will be the image of my product. After you select the image, click on set product image, and now we have set the image for the product. And after you set the image, you need to put a price. The normal price I would set at $198, and if you are selling on sale, you can put a discount and set it at a different price if you want. After you did it, you also need a category for your product. So this is in the category of shoes. We don't have the shoes category here, so I'm going to add a new category, and I'm going to call it shoes, right? Add a new category, and added this new product to the shoes category. Okay, and after you have made the changes, make sure to publish, so the new product will be published on your website. And now if we go to the actual website and click on collections, and scroll down, you can see that the product is actually added to the collections of our products. Okay, now we can select the product and add it to the cart and purchase it. Okay, here you can see that we got a shop category and the shoes are not added to this category. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually add a new category to the actual menu. In order to do this, go back to the dashboard of your WordPress site and hover over Appearance and click on Menus. Okay, once you're here, you can see we have multiple menus, okay? And the one that we are working with is the primary menu at the top of the page, okay? This is the primary menu, okay? Select the primary menu and click Select, okay? Now you can see in the shop by category, which we got it at the top, shop by category, we got this items, and shoes in the category of footwear. But I just want to have another menu item. I just want to call it shoes, okay? If you go here, you can see that this function is actually locked and you have to pay for it. But that's fine. I'm going to show you how you can actually add it without even paying for it. So in order to do this, we got this category of shoes. In order to add a new category, if you go to these categories, it's empty because these are the categories of the posts, okay? That we have not set anything for the posts. We have set the category for products, okay? So what we need to do, click on Custom Links and call the link text shoes, okay? Let me call it shoes. And the URL of the shoes, if you're wondering what would the shoes category URL, go to that product, okay? And now you can see we got this category. Click on shoes, and now you can see the URL at the top of your page of this product. Copy this URL, come back here, paste it, and add it to the menu, okay? And now this product is actually added here, which is not the subcategory of shop by category. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it, simply drag it, and just drop it here. Save the menu, and let's go back to our site, refresh the page, and if you go to shop by category, the shoes is actually added to the menu without me paying for the Astra Premium theme. That's really great. Okay, now it's time to activate the payment process and receive the money to our bank account once people purchase the products. Okay, let's say I would like to buy this product. Okay, you choose a product and then you add it to the cart. After you're adding the product to the cart, I already added once, so I would like to check out. And once you click on check out, you can see that we get an error here. Sorry, it seems that there are no available payment method. So now I'm going to activate the payment method for our website. In order to do this, go to this website called stripe.com, register, and log into your account. And once you log in, you should come to the page like this. And once you're registering for this website, you need to activate it and put in your account information so that you will receive the money into your bank account. Now we need to connect the Stripe account to our e-commerce store. So in order to do this, go back to the dashboard of your site, hover over plugins, and click on Add New. And here, search for the plugin called Stripe. Now you can see we have a couple of options. The one that we need to install is this one, Payment Plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. Okay, but Payment Plugins. Click on Install Now and activate it. Now click on Settings. You can click on Settings from here, or you can go to the actual plugins, to the actual plugin, and then click Settings. And now change the mode from test mode to the live mode. And now click on Click to Connect. And once you do that, it asks you to leave the page and go to Stripe. And now select the account you would like to connect. So this is the only account that I have created. I select it and click on Connect. Okay, now it's showing test. Let me just change it to live. So you can see my account is now connected, and you can test the connection if you like, but you can see that here the connection Stripe account has been connected, and that's pretty much it. It will automatically connect and come back to your WooCommerce or eCommerce dashboard after you did it. Make sure to save the changes to apply all the changes. Boom, and now your e-commerce store is now connected to your Stripe account, and now you can get paid into your bank account. Okay, let's see if we can actually check out here. So let's go to the card, click on checkout. Okay, scroll down, and now you can see you can literally sell products on your website and actually get paid. Easy as that. Yeah, just put in the card details. You can save the card if you want and place the order. Simple. And the last thing is how to actually customize our site. If you like to change the background color or maybe the fonts and things like that, hover over this customize and actually click on this customize button. And here you can just go through this menu and change the part that you like for checkout. You can change the options, the address, and things like that. The privacy policy, you can change it here. Or you can go to other sections like the menu, change the menu from here as well. Or if you would like to change any part of the site, you can scroll down, maybe like the footer, select the part that you want, click on these pencils, and it will bring you that specific section, and you can actually just remove the part that you want or add a new section to the menu as well. So this is how you can actually customize your website as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate if you tap the like button so more people can actually watch this video and learn how to create an e-commerce store using WordPress. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you.